An organization needs to develop and maintain an effective strategy for sourcing and managing cloud services. This strategy should be aligned with the organization's business and technology strategy and architecture, risk management approach, information security policies, business continuity plans, and sustainability policies. It should also consider external factors including regulatory requirements. The strategy should consider how the organization can benefit from cloud solutions, what the expected benefits are, and the best level of the IT architecture to source from the cloud. Organizations should also consider the best cloud deployment model for the organization and how risks associated with using cloud solutions will be managed. Various cloud services have a combination of features, each of which have accompanying benefits and disbenefits. Here, we'll look at common cloud features and present the benefits and disbenefits of each. Firstly, cloud services are on demand, scalable, and elastic. This supports an agile approach to strategic planning and makes it easier for an organization to respond more effectively to volatile contexts, resulting in higher speed to market and value realization. However, if organizations can't manage cloud services effectively, they may experience cloud sprawl. This refers to the uncontrolled and unmanaged use of cloud services with little or no access control, which increases risk and cost and has effects that may emerge too late to be prevented. Many organizations that adopt cloud services also find IT costs transition from capital expenditure to operational expenditure. This supports shorter financial planning and evaluation cycles and contributes to the organization's agility. However, it requires the reconsideration of budgeting, forecasting, and financial controls, which may be resisted. Another feature of cloud services is a pay-as-you-go model. This helps optimize variable costs and accommodate experimentation and fluctuations in demand. It can also help to prevent over or under provisioning of IT resources. However, cost may be unpredictable if workloads aren't quantified in terms of user activity before the migration. In this case, sudden increases could blindside the organization. Many CSPs provide cost calculators to assist consumers in predicting spend based on workload. Another common feature of cloud services is delegated responsibility for IT infrastructure. This allows the organization to focus on objectives rather than IT maintenance. However, consumers must remember that cloud services are standardized. They can be used in a flexible manner, but their functionality and performance are restricted to the terms of the contract with the CSP. Although this may represent a limitation, CSP contracts also allow access to emerging technology, skills, and knowledge. This allows greater innovation at less cost. However, organizations should be mindful of chasing the latest technology, and any skills hired from the CSP will not boost in-house expertise. Solutions that depend on in-house skills shouldn't be considered for cloud migration. Utilizing cloud services also reduces the amount of IT equipment and power used, which provides a more sustainable IT solution and lower carbon footprint. However, this can only be achieved if governance and controls are applied to the use of cloud services. Using cloud services means the consumer organization is abstracted from the underlying technology and infrastructure. This reduces the administrative burden but also limits the amount of management control. Careful selection of CSPs can enhance the consumer's ability to meet regulatory requirements, such as location of data storage. However, other compliance aspects may be removed from the consumer's control, making the role of third-party audits critical. Finally, a CSP may be able to provide an enhancement to the security measures and controls the consumer is able to implement, but this again relies on third-party audits to ensure required security levels are applied. Not all cloud services will lead to all the benefits outlined here. Furthermore, the value of cloud largely depends on the organizational culture and appetite for innovation. The best approach involves balanced strategic decision-making that accounts for the organization's objectives.